Hello guys, welcome to Researchers Helpmate. My name is Kadishi Olise, and in this video I'm going to share with you why you should attend conferences, workshops and forums as a researcher. So let's jump right into the video.
Hey guys, welcome to Researchers Helpmate, the home for researchers to set up for research success.
One of the most important reasons why as researchers we need to go for conferences, we need to go for forums, we need to go for seminars, we need to go for workshops is to share our knowledge regarding our ongoing research that we're taking. So it helps you to meet other researchers, other reviewers, especially if the conference is in your area of research. It will help you share your knowledge and also get knowledge and exchange knowledge with fellow researchers, fellow peers, to mention a few. Second reason is going to help you to discuss your insight with fellow researchers and reviewers and your peers. So if you are going on field work, or if you are about to go on field work and you go for a workshop, you share your knowledge with your peers, with your researchers. Some of them might have pointers that will direct you on where to go for your research or places that you can make use of. Basically, you are just sharing your insights with different researchers and then you get feedback regarding your insight. Also, an important part of going for conferences, for workshops, for forums is that it will help you strengthen your presentation skills. So as a researcher, presentation skill is very important. From verbal presentation to a physical presentation, everything is important as a researcher. So when you go for conferences, when you go for seminars, when you go for research programs, when you go for workshops, when you go for forums, you get to meet other researchers, you get to present your paper or your research, and it gives you like a sort of confidence, to carry out more presentation and carry out more research. Okay, so one of the reasons why you should go for conferences and go for research is it helps strengthen your presentation skills. An important aspect that I love about going for conferences, for forums, for workshops and for seminars is most times your work gets published. So several of my work have been published due to the conferences I went for. About two of my works have been published in books because of certain conference I went for, and I presented my paper, and then we started all the whole reviewing process and into editor, and editor getting back to us. But that aspect for going for conferences is that it will help you get your work published as a researcher. That important aspect of going for conferences or going for forums is that it helps you interact with experts, and then it helps you find experts that you can collaborate with for future papers, for future research. Okay, so that's an important aspect of going for conferences, for forums, for seminars and for workshops. So when you go for conferences, when you go for seminars, when you go for workshops, there are always panel sessions, there are always keynote speakers, to mention a few. So when you attend all these panel sessions, when you attend the keynote speakers address, when you attend different panels and sessions, get new ideas from different diverse areas. Okay, some of them might relate to your work, some might not, but then it will give you a broad understanding of different aspects of research. Okay, so we can say that an important aspect of going for conferences is that you get to learn new ideas from the different panel sessions and as well from the keynote speakers. So I've mentioned severally during the course of this video that going for conferences help you meet other people. So when you meet other people, in a way you are building your horizon, you are building a very strong research network, your academic research network. So I've gone for several conferences where I've gotten cards from people, either because of my presentation went well, or I've walked up to people because I liked their presentation, I liked their paper, and I wanted to get more, discuss more with them, and I got their cards, got their information. So in a way I'm building my research network. So that is an important aspect of going for conferences. So guys, last but not the least is research. Going for conferences, going for seminars, going for workshop in a way helps you, especially when if it's a 3 days conference, it helps you take a break from research work. It helps you take a break from regular research work. Research work can be so stressful. You are going for field work, trying to put together a paper, trying to put together your chapters for your thesis. You are always so busy. Even it might seem like you're not busy because you're in one place sometimes, but all in all you are carrying out research work. So when you go for a conference or a workshop or a seminar that is about 2 to 3 days, you are in a way taking a break because you are going to a new city, you are going to be lodged in an hotel. In fact, I just came back from one of the forum, a conference on ecofeminism, and I won't lie, I learned a lot, okay, and I felt like I took a step back from all the research work I've been doing and found a way to rest during these 5 days in Senegal. So I'm contemplating if I should upload the conference vlog on this channel, but I'm going to do that. And so subscribe to my channel to watch my conference vlog, to watch me giving a action plan speech, to mention a few. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope it is helpful. Do remember to like, to share, to subscribe, turn on the notification button. I'll see you amazing people in my next video. Bye, researchers.